Okay, when a Python script is getting quite long, you might want to add comments to quickly see where you've put something. That's what I need it for anyway. Used to do it with HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So I want to do something similar. I'm writing a script out here in Python and it's getting very long. So if you've got the same problem, how can you add comments? That's what I've just looked up. I need to note things down. Things start repeating themselves and so on. So how can you add comments? I believe it's the same way. So here's one of the last parts of my script. I want to put a comment in. So I believe it's asterisk. No, that's not asterisk. Asterisk, and it's gone red. It has a sort of a color code on IDLE. So I'm writing in second click, which refers to my traffic bot. So I can quickly find something. Now I looked this up on W3 Schools and it's actually green there. They're giving you an example there. Asterisk, print hello world in Python print. Cheers mate, that's a comment. I copy and paste that and see what happens on my editor. So let's say I put it in there, paste, and it comes up red again. So I think that's right. It's just on IDLE the color code is red as opposed to their one green. It's usually green. It's usually green on these editors. So that's how you'd put it in. So that's good to do. See if I want to put another comment in. So here, I'm making 4 spaces just in case it has any type of indentation block error. That is a way around it. VPN change. That's a way of identifying it, of getting around the error. But that isn't red, so that's how you put a comment in for yourself. The asterisk first, then make a comment. Anything like that, and it won't be read by the browser. So there you are. That's what you need to know.